In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off and hide reviews on your Facebook business page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to switch so visitors can't see or leave reviews on your page. This is helpful if you're reorganizing your brand presence, dealing with spam, or simply want to pause public feedback while you make updates. First, make sure you're logged into Facebook with a profile that has permission to manage the page. Then, go to your Facebook business page the same way you normally would. Once you're on your page, look beneath your profile picture and choose the About section. Depending on your layout, About might appear in a different spot, but it will be clearly labeled and tied to your page details. Inside About, scroll down until you see the area called Contact and Basic Info. This section holds a variety of page details, including the option we need for reviews. Keep scrolling until you find the Reviews section. You might see a line that says something like, "Not yet rated, 0 reviews," or it could display a star rating if you've collected reviews already. Next to Reviews, look for the small Edit icon. Click that Edit icon to open the settings for reviews. In the panel that appears, you'll see a toggle labeled Allow Reviews on your page. Switch that toggle off. Once you turn it off, Facebook will hide the entire reviews section from public view. Here's what that change means. Visitors will no longer see your star rating or any past reviews on your page, and they won't be able to leave new reviews while this setting is off. This does not delete your existing reviews. It simply hides them. If you turn reviews back on in the future, the Reviews section and all previous reviews will reappear. It's also important to note that you can't hide individual reviews while reviews are enabled. If reviews are on, they're all visible. Turning them off is the only way to hide the entire set from the public. Before you finish, take a moment to refresh your page to confirm the Reviews section is no longer displayed. If you're doing this for brand consistency or to handle spam, consider noting the date you turned reviews off so you can revisit this setting later. And if you rely on customer feedback internally, you might want to keep private records of testimonials outside Facebook. That's it. You've turned off reviews on your Facebook business page and hidden them from visitors.